What made you change your mind?
I actually read an article on Marilyn Monroe like a couple days ago. So
What's up, guys? We're back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and we are back at Occidental College. In honor of the new Marilyn Monroe biopic, Blonde, I'm going to be walking around campus asking the students of Occidental questions about Marilyn Monroe and her life. Let's see just how much the students of Occidental know about Marilyn Monroe. Okay, what is your name and where are you from?
Claire, I'm from Vancouver.
My name is Teddy. I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota.
Xingtai Aaron Ao. I'm from Sammamish, Washington.
August, also from St. Paul, Minnesota. Let's go.
In honor of her new biopic, we will be asking you questions about Marilyn Monroe today. So.
I just wrote a really 20-page paper on Marilyn. Did you really?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I was going to say 20-page paper. Damn, you're an expert. What was Marilyn Monroe's real name? A. Alexandra Zuck, B. Norma Jean Mortensen, or C. Margarita Carmen Cancino?
What was A and B again?
I'm trying to read your face. I don't know. Shot in the dark, A.
Okay, I have no idea.
No, we're gonna go B.
B. Norma Jean.
You knew that one already. Norma Jean is correct. B is correct.
Let's go.
Norma Jean Mortensen.
No.
Monroe picked her stage name with a Fox executive when she signed her first acting contract with them. Marilyn was the first name of a successful Broadway actress at the time, and Monroe was her mom's maiden name. She did ultimately change her legal name to Marilyn Monroe in 1956.
I'm sure I knew that when I was younger, yeah.
It's one of the things that just kind of faded away.
Early onset dementia, you know, all that.
Number 2. One of the most famous images of Marilyn Monroe is her white dress being blown up by the subway, which was shot while she was filming a scene for a movie. What movie is the image from? Is it A, The 7-Year Itch, B, Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, or C, Some Like It Hot?
Oh, they all sound the same.
You say Gentlemen Prefer Blondes?
Yeah, I think so. It's that or the 7-year itch. Actually, switch it. It's A.
A.
Let's go gentlemen prefer.
I think so too.
We'll go
I think it's
gentlemen
wrong 'cause I think that's
prefer
a movie that
blonde.
everyone knows, but I'll go.
With respect to our second opinion being answer C, but we'll go with B.
It is actually A, The 7-Year Itch.
Struck out there. Yep.
What made you change your mind?
I actually read an article on Marilyn Monroe like a couple days ago. So
Did you know about this?
You're prepped. When they went to film the scene on location in New York, the set was so mobbed by fans, they had to reshoot it on the back lot later. It's been called one of the most iconic images of the 20th century. Our final question is a health question sponsored by Dherbs. Marilyn Monroe had a number of health issues, but only one that required her to get guaranteed time off in her contracts to deal with. What was that health problem? A. Gallstones, B. Liver disease, or C. Endometriosis?
I think liver disease.
Is that because all the boozing and the partying and the drugs?
I think so. I don't know.
Well, the first one's gallstones. Is that what you said? Yeah. Second one is liver disease. It's gotta be C. It's gotta be C.
Why?
Because who's making that up?
Okay, go C. We're gonna go C on that.
C.
C is correct. C is correct. Endometriosis is a condition where the endometrial lining that normally lines the uterus grows outside of it. It's known to cause very severe menstrual pain, which is why Marilyn needed time off. She also had several surgeries to try to address the issue. There's still no cure or significant treatment for endometriosis, and it takes an average of 7 years for women with symptoms to even get a diagnosis.
Interesting.
That sucks.
It's a downer. Yeah.
Like, I got it right. Oh.
Hi, I'm Claire, and I just did the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
We just did the Street Smart Challenge for Dherbs. Thanks.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.